Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing a product that was sent to me by food.ru. I'm gonna put it right on my screen. And if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you guys tuning in from? Yes, we're gonna be unboxing this together. Let's go find out what we have right in here. So yes, I'd like to know you and meet you. What part of the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. I see you, you see me. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, today we're going to be unboxing this product that was sent to me by food.ru. So you guys are going to get a discount code from me. So use my link to purchase yours. I'm going to put it in the link. I'm going to put the link in my description as well as in my comments. I'm going to pin it in the comments. So guys, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. This is a collaboration between me and food.ru. So yes, let me go ahead and unbox it. I know you can't wait to see it. Me, I can't wait as well. Have I introduced myself yet? Okay guys, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer on this channel. You know how it is now. Let's go ahead. You know I'm the grand queen, but of course, let's go ahead and unbox this amazing package that was sent to me by food.ru. Come with me guys, let's go. Yay! I am excited, guys. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Okay. So, guys, yay, I'm excited. Ooh, yes, guys. I know the suspense is real. So, yes, guys, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and open it up, guys. Oh. Yes, guys. Okay. So it's a portable size and it comes in different colors. So I'm gonna open it and show you what the interior looks like. So guys, this is what the interior looks like. This is it. It's you know, it has a zipper right here. You can have your, maybe your card or something in here, or something really valuable in there. And it has like a little mini purse in here as well, and then you have the main purse in here. It's quite, it would take more than your phone, definitely. So guys, it is penguin, like it is a panga. And then it also has a holder that you can hold it this way, and you can also decide to use it as a crossbody, or you can just use it as a real crossbody. Guys, you can see, guys, I can't wait. So it is really portable. Go ahead and use my link to purchase yours today. I will put it right in the description as well as in the comments. So guys, go ahead and tell a friend about this, and go ahead and share this video, share today's video, like today's video, and do well to share and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And of course guys, don't forget, it's me, your girl Mariam. I'm signing out, and if you have not introduced yourselves yet, by all means, please do that right away. I like to know you and meet you guys. I love this. I love the feel of it. So yes, use my link to purchase yours today. And of course, if you have not introduced yourselves, I like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? Let me know in the comments. I like to really get to know you guys. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know. Please do well to also like today's video. Do well to share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you guys covered. And of course, guys, make sure that you watch out for my next video. It promises to be explosive. Like, I love what I'm saying. Don't you like what you're saying? So guys, go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this beautiful handbag. You can buy for yourself, or your friends, your bestie, your mom, your girlfriend. You can buy for yourself. Yes, if you're a lady, just buy for yourself. Don't forget to use my link. The link is right in the description. Use it to purchase yours today. And of course guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell for this channel, because here we're not sleeping. Yes, so all right guys, I'll talk to you again. Make sure that you check out my previous videos and watch my other videos, and of course I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to introduce yourselves in the comments. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.